the fight dispersed. Went on a white truck. Trying to catch up on it. The Connecticut combination Charlie 175084. It's a white work body truck. The Bayberry at Surrey Drive.
Cannon out with the truck. Never.
No, what is this guy?
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing.
Sit back in the truck.
I'm going to talk with my brother and yourself.
You're not listening, and you're making the situation much worse.
No. I do.
You can stay right here. You're going to stay right here.
I do.
If you move, you are going to be placed under arrest for interfering with an investigation. Okay?
Yes,
Stay right here.
100%.
No, he's fine.
Chill out, Nick.
They let fucking 5'7" motherfuckers be cops. Mr. McKenzie K9 unit.
They let large pieces of what do you do?
Don't worry about what the fuck I do.
Liner filler.
I make a fuck ton more money than you do, baby boy.
Look at you, fucking mess.
Yeah, okay.
People are proud of you.
Yeah,
Proud of you.
No, my parents
Gotta
definitely
get your little baby brother all jammed up, driving with all the license.
He is jammed up. What's his problem?
No, I said you got him all jammed up, coming to get
I
you.
don't got him.
He's
jammed.
not.
Is he jammed up? Are you're telling me that he's jammed
right
up?
now, he's jammed up. Yup.
Jammed up? Okay. Then that's his shit.
But you did it to him.
Okay, I'll fucking walk home, dude.
How does that help him?
It's not gonna make your short ass dick any longer, bro.
Why are you talking about my dick, bro?
Dude, because you are nothing. You are nothing.
You're enough. I vape.
Can I tell them we're good?
Yeah, tell me you're good in the truck.
Nick, everything's fucking great.
With the truck.
It's getting towed.
I'm obviously not driving.
You're great.
I'm sober.
Yeah, because I got a job that makes money, not a fucking Bristol police
I
officer.
finally got him.
Go fucking lick your dog. Go lick your dog's fucking.
Get back in your truck.
No, yeah, see him all.
Get back in your truck.
See? Yo, look what you did. That's
He's like a ninja.
He is. Nick,
He's like a ninja.
Nah, fuck you, dude.
passenger seat.
Dude.
You're shot, bro. I love it. You're having a good night, dude. You're doing
No,
it.
I did have a good night. Yo. I really want to hurt you right now.
Do you?
So back up.
man.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Tell him to get in the passenger
Do you,
seat.
buddy?
Tell him to get in the passenger seat, please.
Like I won't.
He doesn't
see you
listen to
from
me.
800 yards. Is somebody gonna press charges from?
No.
Yeah, no, they're not.
You just asked. That's what we just
I'm
told
not
you.
in any trouble.
You're in zero trouble.
Yeah, no shit.
You're free to leave, he said. This officer said you're free.
I am not driving anywhere.
No.
I'm not a fucking idiot.
You gotta walk home, he said.
All right. Are you gonna follow me, baby boy?
Never. I'm scared of you.
Yeah, you should be.
I am.
I'm gonna bend you over and fuck you like your dog does. Fucking faggot. You want to
But
get
he's
at me
bending me
so
over.
bad.
How am I?
Come on.
How am
Come
I
on. Yo, how does that Red Rocket cock taste?
Come on.
You gotta tell me.
You guys love it.
You gotta tell me.
You guys want me to do something.
Brother, you gotta tell me.
I love it.
Like,
No,
is it sweet? Like,
But you want to listen? Go get some from him.
I'm not gonna kiss you.
I think he wants to. Why are you so close to me?
I'm just standing.
You're so close.
I'm just standing, brother.
You're so close.
What is it? Fucking COVID rules still? We can't talk?
No, but you make
Officer McGuire?
You make me so nervous. I'm so scared.
You are nervous, right? No.
Yeah. The fear pumping through me right now because of you is unreal.
I know it's.
Officer T, could you move him?
I know
I'm
you're
fearing
not
for my
lying.
life right now.
Get back.
Oh wait, 0 seconds. My mom's probably right here.
He's 23 years old, brother.
Be arrested for
I just wanna
interfering,
get
I
a
think,
joke.
at this point.
You guys suck.
Where do I gotta go?
At your job.
Stand by your truck.
You know what shit's
Where?
happening right there?
Right by the where you were sitting before.
Mr. Susie Field.
That are going down that
You got a hyphen? You got a hyphen in your name?
Yeah,
You
go stand over there.
People are stealing drugs in that parking lot. How about that?
Bristol 911, what's the address of the emergency?
It is 310 Redstone Hill Road. Your officers had an altercation with a man earlier tonight, and I don't know if he's good.
Yeah, I did. Okay, what's the emergency at 310 Redstone Hill Road?
I don't know. It's just not. It's not good.
Okay. What's your name?
Nicholas.
Nicholas, what's your last name?
It's Brutcher.
Okay. You called 911. What's the
Yes,
emergency at 310 Redstone Hill Road?
I don't know if it's necessarily an emergency, but it really does.
Okay. We did shift change. I have no idea what you're talking about. You called 911. What is the emergency?
Yes, sir. I can't even say if it really is an emergency. I just think that this young man needs some talking to.
What young man?
Nathan.
Nathan what?
Same last name.
Okay, where is he?
He's in the home.
He's at your house at 310 Redstone Hill Road?
Yeah, it's not very good. I mean, nothing violent.
Who is he in relation to you?
My brother.
Your brother. Okay. What's going on?
Like we got into a altercation with patrol officers earlier on in the night, and he's just carrying on about it. So.
Okay. Where was the altercation?
I couldn't tell you the road. It had to do with stuff from bleachers.
Okay. What's he doing right now that prompted you to call 911?
He's just being very, aggressive.
Towards who?
I mean, anybody that he can come in contact with.
Okay. Who else is at the house?
It's just him and myself.
Okay. What's he doing now? I mean, you're saying anybody coming in contact with, you're the only one he's coming in contact with if it's just you two of you. So what's he doing?
I mean, I don't want to fight my brother. He's just being very aggressive towards me at the current time, and I don't want to get him in trouble.
Okay. How old is Nathan?
I also I want to say 25.
Any weapon?
No.
Has it been violent at all? Any physical?
I mean, a little bit physical, but
in what way?
I mean, just like how men get physical with each other when they're all upset and such.
Okay, so he was pushing you. I don't want to put words in your mouth, but can you tell me, was he pushing you around? Did he punch you? Did he tackle you? I mean...
No. I didn't get punched, but yeah, definitely pushed, and like I'm saying, this is coming off of a previous.
Okay, is he intoxicated right now?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm gonna say, have you been drinking too?
No.
Okay. All right. Listen, we're gonna have an officer come over and see you guys. Okay.
I appreciate you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right now. fired! Oh! Shots fired, shots fired. More cars, send everyone. Officer shot, officer shot.
Receive off shot.
Ah! Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh my god.
Chris, have you got the address? 310, 310 Redstone Hill Road.